गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग। और हम लोग आज आपके लिए लाए हैं एक मैथमेटिकल पार्क है हमारे पास, उसकी विजिट करने के लिए। मैथमेटिकल पार्क, कैन यू गेस व्हाट कैन बी द नेम ऑफ दैट मैथमेटिकल पार्क? ओके, लेट अस एक्सप्लोर द नेम ऑफ द मैथमेटिकल पार्क। दीज आर सम शेप्स। So here it is, Ramanujan, Srinivas Ramanujan Park. This is Srinivasan Ramanujan Park. You must know Srinivasan Ramanujan is a great mathematician. So this park name is with on his honor. So let us visit the park and see what is inside. So let us open it. The park is Srinivasan Ramanujan Park. That is mathematical garden. Let us open it. Okay, come and join us for see. This is our first three-dimensional shape called as cylinder. Okay, this is cylinder. What is cylinder? You can see this is a cylinder, circular surface, and this is the height of the cylinder. This is height, and this point is center. So from here to outer boundary radius, and this is height. So this is called cylinder. So you can observe the cylinder. You must have seen various cylindrical object at your home. So next shape we have इसमें पीछे भी लेना, पीछे अलग से कटा हुआ है ना वो। Okay, let us move to next shape. Our next shape is come towards. Look at this. It is our next shape. You must have seen ball. You must have played cricket, tennis, or anything. You must have seen a ball. So this ball shape is called sphere. Sphere is round from every side, and our Earth is also called is a big sphere. So this is sphere. From one face you look like, if I see this ring will look like circle. So circle is extended towards sphere in three-dimensional shape. Okay. So let us move towards next shape. Next shape. It is cone. This is cone. Again, this is height of the cone from top to center of the, and the base is a circular base. The cone is with circular base. So have a look on the cone, how it is As it is three-dimensional shape, you can see from all dimensions, from all sides. If you will see it from the all side, you will look like this. So you must have it taken cones in ice cream parlor. So this is look like same. So let us move to our third shape. Our third shape is, okay, come to frustum. Frustum of cone. You have seen cone. We have cut upper side from of the cone from here. If I cut upper side, this will look like this. So our bucket side, you must have seen our buckets. That bucket is of this frustum. You know? So initially it was cone, and I have cut one surface from here, one piece of cone from here, and it becomes frustum. So let us move towards next shape. Next shape is called cube. C-U-B-E, cube. This is cube. What you can see from front side, front face. What is the front face? Looks like square. Very good. This looks like square. When it's repeated arrangement, you can see it is in three dimension. It becomes cube. You must have seen ice cubes at home, and and you must have played some puzzle game with that is also called as cube, because they have all the three sides, three dimensions equal. So this side is equal to this side, and this both sides are equal to this one side. So these three sides are equal, and this is a three-dimensional shape. You can see why it is three-dimensional, because if some point is here, है ना? A point is here, it can move from here to here one way, second way, and third way. It can move three way around. Okay, so it is three-dimensional shape. You can see it from all the sides. And observe. So what you must have noticed, face is same. From any side you will see, from top, left, right, this side, that side, from everywhere this has similar shape. That is why it is cube. So if I increase one dimension of it, only one dimension, so what will it become? Cuboid. So let us move towards cuboid. How does it look like? Come. So it is cuboid. Cuboid you must have seen, but it is front face, and front faces looks like rectangle. In cube the front face was square. In cuboid the front face is rectangular. Rectangular shape, face from the top, from the side, from the bottom, from everywhere, rectangular shape. So you can move and see. The same thing you will notice what you have noticed in case of cube. It has same face all around. Here so much rain comes, so some Here I am standing. You must have seen some point this side and some point this side. Okay. If I move this side, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and it moves like this up to long, up to infinity. Okay, and you must be seeing that this is downside. Okay, so negative numbers are represented downside. And again see this side, it is on upside, +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, and long this way up to infinity. So let us again come to the center. So this is center. Center means 0. On number line, center is 0. From 0 to -infinity, +infinity, minus numbers are shown downward and plus numbers are shown upward. So what can you guess? What can be this? Yes, this is number line. Numbers are scattered on this line with origin 0 as a center. Okay, so you must understand how the numbers are scattered on numbers line. So let us move to our next. So the question is, where is this mathematical garden is located? This mathematical garden is located in Kendriya Vidyalaya Ranikhet, which is in Almora district, Uttarakhand.
अरे यहाँ पे तुम्हारे यहाँ तो बड़ी को बड़ी है ना